And it's probably true that inflation will moderate going forward and that there will be some let up in the pressure. But in the meantime, the Fed has to sound and act quite hawkish to calm down the markets because, yes, the next few months are going to be pretty bad on the inflation front. The number coming out is expected at 0.5 for core. And for the following 2 months, the year-on-year rate will probably accelerate near to 6%. And so it's going to be a little bit scary for a while, but all indications to me are that it will fall from this peak. It's a question of how much. We think core will probably fall to about 3%. Of course, CPI will fall to about 3% by the end of the year.
Yeah, I mean, the important context here and the timing here, John, is that these hearings come after the December hawkish Fed minutes, right? And it's the first chance for Powell or Brainerd or both to articulate just how much Omicron, which exploded after those Fed minutes, affected the economy, affected inflation, and may or may not hold back the Fed's trajectory, right? But we've seen a couple of excerpts from Chair Powell's prepared statements, and it seems like the takeaway is, look, Omicron, yes, but no, it's not going to force us to deviate course, which is why overnight we had Goldman calling 4 hikes, not 3. Jamie Dimon, J.P. Morgan calling 4. Are you kidding? More than that. And the market at towards the finish of trade rallying back on those comments, especially the NASDAQ. How many hikes do you see ahead?
Well, there is the question, too, is whether they hike by 50 basis points at the start and combine 2 and 1. It's kind of hard to hike more than 4 rates if you're going to go 25 basis points a shot. We actually last met in early December, so our numbers are a little bit stale, but we had expected only 2 for this year. Quantitative tightening is the other key point, though. If they tighten the balance sheet much more rapidly than people expect, especially on mortgage-backed securities, then that will have the effect of some interest rate hikes. So it's not just the number of hikes, it's the amount of quantitative tightening as well. There's a lot of, backseat driving with the Fed. It's not an easy job, obviously, and inflation obviously went well beyond what they were expecting, and I'm sure there'll be some very aggressive questioning on that front, but nobody knew what would happen with Omicron or with this wave that we're experiencing now, and the Fed was cautious going into it. Yes. But I guess it does show that that they held to their guns and kept a hawkish stance despite the Omicron numbers shooting up, because I guess they probably sensed that it wasn't going to slow down the economy that much, that yes, the Democrats and the White House did not want to shut down the economy again.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.